Hello and welcome. This video will discuss scholarly articles, how to identify them, and the difference between experimental and non-experimental articles. To know more, Chapter 6 in your Portney textbook covers searching for scholarly articles. The scholarly literature of physical therapy is found in several types of sources. When we review the literature on a topic, scholarly journal articles are usually the most important sources we use. You have likely been asked by a professor to use a scholarly article in your research. But what makes an article scholarly? A scholarly article is written by experts, such as researchers, professionals, or scholars. Often their degrees and where they work are listed. It communicates with peers and is published in a scholarly journal. It is usually, though not always, peer-reviewed. Peer-reviewed means it is reviewed by several experts in the field before publication to ensure quality and accuracy. Lastly, a scholarly article always includes citations so that you can verify the sources of information. This is an MLA citation for a scholarly article. When I use this article in my work, I give the author credit with a brief in-text citation and an MLA citation such as this one at the end, including the author's name, article title, journal title, volume, pages, date, and digital object identifier, a special URL for the article. When I see all these elements in a citation, I know it's a scholarly journal. This journal website for Medical Science Monitor tells clearly that this is a peer-reviewed or scholarly journal. Most library databases have a peer-reviewed checkbox if you only want peer-reviewed journals. Scholarly journals publish several types of articles. One is called an experimental study, also called empirical or primary. Often your professor will ask you to find an experimental study. If I publish an experimental study, it means I did the work myself. What does this look like? This is an abstract or summary of an experimental study. Let's look at the methods and results section. P, population of ambulatory stroke patients. I, intervention, vibrating platform. C, comparison, platform without vibration. O, outcome, improvement in walking for the intervention group. Other types of scholarly articles, such as this narrative revision, review existing literature, analyze trends, and identify new areas for research, but present no original research. Notice this non-experimental article has no methods or results section. That's because it talks about work done by other people. It's still a scholarly article, but the authors did not do their own whole body vibration experiment. If at any time you need more help, make an appointment with a librarian. Call, email, or chat with us. You can also visit us in person at the reference desk. Thank you for watching.